Okay, this is the second video. This is getting into factoring some of the phase shifts on graph and trig functions. First thing I'm going to do is go ahead and factor out my 2. That'll give me pi over 2, because remember the formula is A cosine of the B, theta minus the phase shift, plus the C. Notice the B is on the outside of the parentheses, not on the inside of the parentheses. So I'm going to come down through here and get all my stuff. A is 1, B is 2, the phase, oops, I skipped the period. The period is 2 pi over 2, or pi. The phase shift is right pi over 2. So I'm going to label my ends with my period. That's all it does. The amplitude is 1 here and here. I'm graphing a cosine graph, and I'm shifting it right pi over 2. Now if this is pi, then this is pi over 2, half of pi. So this is going to be like my new x-axis, where I'm going to start bouncing. And I'm graphing cosine. Cosine starts in the clouds. Okay. And that's it. Now let's get into the more complicated one. I did this one last time. Alright, here we go. This one's nasty. First thing I need to do is factor out a 1/2. So it's going to be 4 cosine of 1/2 theta plus, pi divided by a half. Pi divided by a half is pi times 2. So it's 2 pi minus 6. And you check it by multiplying it back in, and you would get pi. So, let's see. Let's get a different color. A is 4. B is 1/2. P is 2 pi divided by 1/2, or 2 pi times 2, which is 4 pi. The phase shift is left 2 pi, and the center is -6. I'm going to go ahead and double these up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to have to go down 6, then my amplitude is 4. So I'm really going to have to go 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is going to be my new, lost count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 x-axis here. Okay, I'm just going to pull my tick marks down. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. My amplitude is 4, so I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 above, 4 below. This just helps me figure out where to bounce. Okay. That's a little crooked, but it would be alright. And then I want to go left 2 pi. Oh, I didn't label my ends. My ends are 4 pi, -4 pi. If I want to go left 2 pi, that's left 2 tick marks, because 1, 2, 3, 4 pi. And yes, I know that all my examples just happen to move left 2 tick marks. No, it does not always end up like that. This is a cosine graph. Cosine starts in the clouds. So I just start right here. That's where I start. That's all the phase shift does, is it just changes where I start. And then I'm done. And that's pretty much all of that. And that one's basically the same, so I'll stop it right there.